everybody. I'm here. What is my intro again? My name is Hugo Valentin Jr. And we're going to be unbagging this. Of course, I can't say anything about the box yet because it doesn't say anything about anything here. Oh my god.
Woo! Bachmann.
My first Bachmann in a while.
Let me see.
Oh my god. This is amazing.
Oh my goodness, look at those tires. And what's that thing called?
What is what?
The things on the tires, that metal part.
That's side reds.
Oh my god, they're so amazing. That is the one that's the most coolest one you got so far. I know you said Gordon has a huge one, right?
You should see it.
I see it in the pictures, but I want to see it in real life.
So, let's read the box. Deluxe Percy, the small engine with moving eyes. All of them have moving eyes, so why is it called Deluxe then? 8 plus electricity operated product for use on HOO scale track. And Thomas and Friends Bachmann logo here. Collect them all. Shows Thomas, Percy, James, Gordon, Henry, Edward, Toby the Tram Engine, Emily, Spencer, and it says more engines here. Mavis, Diesel, Salty, Bill, Ben, Donald, Douglas, and of course we're gonna get all those. So Thomas and Friends, Brett Hallcroft, created by Brett Hallcroft, says all that Thomas and Friends stuff there. It says Hit Entertainment on the back. Let's get him out of the box.
Oh, I got a good idea.
What?
Come back here.
Happened.
Look. Take a picture of that. Right?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I'm gonna get big scissors. I want to open this.
When have you got a toy that you're like, I don't want to open it? Never. Well, we do have a Lego over there still. Plus,
I have 2 Legos that I haven't built yet.
oh my goodness.
And it's still there. Oh my
From
god,
last
I know how to
Christmas.
open
That
this.
was 8 months ago.
I know how to open this, Dad. Oh my god.
Nice.
I never opened
It's about time. Wow.
There goes that.
Percy.
Okay, so we need to open it more. Because the parts instructions are in here. Like, if your engine breaks, you need... Okay, scissors. Scissors are life. Scissors save lives. Don't open it out without me yet.
Of course not. You're the unboxer guy. But, wow. Yeah, a second ago I recorded and it was mad dusty to the box, but this thing, yeah, look at this. Bachmann are so detailed, it's amazing.
See, actual metal. It's like the actual.
Almost.
It's like the actual model.
Yeah, it's honestly, the real ones. The actual models have lights and stuff, right?
Lights?
Yeah, right? The one in the movies. Right?
Yes.
The lights, they change their faces and stuff. This one you can change the face too, but... You don't want to leave it for later?
Okay, fine. Let's just open this. I'm scared to break it. I'm scared. Yay! What is this down the middle? It's split already. We're taking his face off. Oh my God.
Be funny. I just got him, but rip his face off.
These move already. These are very loose. Okay, well, this is his face. This feels so light. This doesn't feel like anything. Oh my god. So we have a Bachmann Percy right here. I wonder how big he is next to Thomas. Well, I want to go get him. That's how big he looks. Oh my god, look at his bird. I'm taking Thomas's face off. Does it fit?
Oh my goodness.
It looks like it fits.
Why does that happen?
I hope.
They're the same size, right?
Kind of. I mean, this one's a bit smaller.
Yeah, it's a little lower. Diesel's huge. I like that. But the scales are different.
Diesel's the biggest out of all of them now.
Yeah,
He's bigger than Emily.
Look at his face. His face is bigger than the tramps. Yeah, but he looks good though. You can tell you've been slamming him around a lot because look at his eyebrows gone.
And his eye.
Oh my goodness.
I think it's because they took his face off and something happened.
Mm,
Look at Percy. Oh my god. I can't wait to run this dude. He's nuts. We don't have tracks right now. We're in Connecticut. So.
I like those side rail things. It's amazing.
Side rods.
So, side rods, they're so different.
Different.
Yeah, because these, look, Thomas and Diesel, they both have just straight ones.
This is
Yeah.
amazing.
It's just straight,
And
straight.
also Emily is like.
And this one's like, look at all that. That is ridiculous. You got 1, 2, and then that thing going into the front. That's so different.
Well, Emily also has like.
Oh,
lame
no,
one.
I didn't see that one.
I saw it.
No.
Emily kind of has a lame one too.
Oh, she has one rod right there, but then she has a straight, those 3 things that Percy has too. Percy has the most right now.
It pushes, yeah.
Yeah, Percy
Gordon's
has the
gonna
most.
have the most after
Yeah,
we get him.
Gordon. Alright, that was awesome unboxing.
So let's spin him around, see what he looks like. Yes. Spin him around in there, like boom, 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 boom. Side. Pause the video if you want to see it. Back. Just dirt on the top. Ready. Other side. This is cool. This is amazing. Look at these things. And the front, which looks so detailed. Look at the lamp irons and the lamp and the buffers and that. It's everything. And the top. And the bottom. It's all the stuff here. Bachmann logo. And obviously, this is why Scarloe is the same scale. They're making a Bachmann Scarloe soon, in like November. So it's just gonna be Scarloe is gonna be smaller than this, but it's still gonna be the same scale. So it still runs on the same track. And the wheels are so small, so that's probably why. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing right here. Click like if you liked this. Give Percy a like. So like, subscribe, and comment for more unboxings like this. This is amazing. This is our first Bachmann unboxing after a long time. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye.